Today I'm going to show you how to make this Simply Slouchy Beanie. I'll be making the adult size, but you can find the full range of sizes for free over on my blog. To make this pattern, you'll need worsted weight yarn, a 5mm H crochet hook, tapestry needle, and scissors. Start with a slip knot. Chain 9. Working in the second chain from your hook, make a single crochet. Then single crochet in each chain to the beginning. You'll have a total of 8 single crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn your work. Working in the back loops only, single crochet across. Working in the back loops is what creates the ribbed effect for the band. Always make sure that you have 8 stitches at the end of each row. You'll then continue this process with a chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet in the back loops only across until you reach the designated number of rows. I'm making the adult size beanie in this tutorial, so I'm going to continue crocheting until I reach row 65. Once you've reached the required number of rows, check that your band can comfortably stretch to the given circumference. I'm making the adult size, which should comfortably stretch to 23 inches. At this point, you could also add or remove rows to reach the measurement that you'd like. Bring both ends of your band together and join with a slip stitch across. At this point, I like to flip the band so that that join is hidden on the inside of the hat. Now we'll be starting on the body of the hat, and we'll begin with a chain 1. You'll work 1 single crochet in each row of the ribbing. Join with the slip stitch to the beginning. Now chain 2 and work 1 back post double crochet stitch around each single crochet stitch from the previous round. To do this stitch, you'll yarn over, and rather than inserting your hook into the top of the stitch, you'll work around the post. Then you'll yarn over and draw up a loop. You'll continue working around with 1 back post double crochet stitch around the post of each single crochet stitch from the previous round until you reach the beginning. Now you'll join with a slip stitch to the beginning. You'll start the next round with a chain 2 and work 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch around. You'll continue with rounds of double crochet until you reach the required number. I am making the adult size, which takes me to round 18. After you've joined your final round, leave a long tail for finishing, cut the yarn, and fasten off. Now we'll be cinching the hat closed. Using a tapestry needle, you'll want to weave that yarn in and out of every other stitch in that final row. When you've finished weaving, you'll pull the yarn to cinch the top of the hat closed. You may have a small gap where you cinched the hat closed. You can sew that shut. Secure your yarn tail and weave in your ends. Now your hat is finished. You can add any embellishments you'd like, such as a fur pom-pom or a leather tag. I've added a leather tag to mine. And there you finish the Simply Slouchy Beanie. You can find this full pattern for free over on my blog, thenicolechase.com, which includes the full range of sizes. You can also find the printable, ad-free PDF in my shops.